So today I'm going to be taking you on the process of making Akamu flour without a food dehydrator. We just use your sunlight. Very simple and easy way to do that. Now, let me know down in the comment section, have you ever tried, making these two? And if you have, do you think there is any difference between the flour and the one that we put in the refrigerator? So please, before I go on to explain the process here, I already made a video on this Akamu where I used the white one. You can go and watch it also and have a clear understanding if you could not get it very well here. All right. So this corn, I soaked it for 5 good days because I'm using my blender. But if you're using the commercial one, you can soak it for 3 days or 4 days. But once your corn is tender, you are free to start blending it. So you continue changing it water every day. Even if I did not remember to change this water in the demo, make sure that it doesn't run with the same water overnight. Like you change it another one so it runs for the other night. Okay. Now you, after the 5th day, you bring it out, you wash it very well because of the smell. After washing it, now this is me blending it already. Now this scarf that I'm using, I know that we have scarf for sieving Akamu, but just use whatever you have. Look for alternative and help yourself. Okay. Now here I'm using the tab so it will be easier for me to as I'm sieving it. Okay, this is the chaff. Like this is so easy. It's not difficult. Now this is our Akam. I have to allow it to go down a bit. Yeah, this one I did it during the daytime. I was not rushing like the other one that I posted. Okay, now this is the pap bag. I used my pillowcase. Yes. I use my pillowcase. Just look for something that will work well for you, my dear. Just go for it. So I allow the water to drain a bit. I yeah, I let her put it in a this thing, in a sieve, so it will help the water to go down small. Okay, you need to allow it before you carry something, and yeah, you see why I putting it in the sieve. Okay, so it will help the water to be going out. Now after the water might have gone down small, then you look for something that you use and keep it on top so it will be able to press out the water. So from this point, you can see my account. Sorry, I was using one hand to hold my phone and one hand to capture it. That was why it's like scattered. So this is the process of my account floor now. I just use my trim pan, spray it a nylon, then this the account, and I'm trying to split it little by little so it will be so easy for this thing for it to dry. All right, I know some people might be saying that, oh, flies are going to come after this my path floor. No, nothing will happen. Just don't put it in a place that that you see where I placed my own, there was no fly, and I used this thing to cover it. The sun is not that much. It just will I say medium so I don't know how to explain it. The sun is not much, and this thing that I used in covering it helped it so well. You see here, I'm checking how far the thing is drying. This is very simple. Like, I recommend this thing for everybody. To me, there is no difference between this one and the one that we put in the refrigerator. This one is even more. This is exactly corn flour, but I think the one that we buy in the market, they use machine to dry their own. Okay, that is the what they use machine. But this one, you are using a sunlight. Nothing will happen. There is nothing like fly. Okay, unless if you have any other question, you are free to ask me down there in the comment section. Now this is me blending it. I wanted to sieve it again. I thought there would be lumps, but my people, there was no lump. Exactly the one that we purchased in the market. Exactly. And to me, I like this one so much. I recommend this for everybody. This is more okay. Like, there was no difference. Everything is the same. It's even more thicker. Even the fresh one is though fresh is fresh, okay, but there will always be alternative for something. You can also send this thing to someone that is living in abroad. Okay, very easy, and it's a very cool business that someone can do. If you can be using this my dear, you're going to make a very cool money. People will be coming for you than the one that we put in the refrigerator. Now this is the outcome of it. Oh my god, this is so amazing. See, I have to be honest with you guys, the very first day that you try this method, you will never leave it again. Okay, And know that you cannot have another one in the refrigerator. You can still have the powdered one in case. But if you have your food dehydrator, please go on and use it. It is still good. But this is just for people that do not have the machine. Go on and use your sunlight. Get what you want. Now, this is the final outcome of it. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. But my observation between these two Akamu is that the flour one is more thicker and the fresh one is not that thick. Fresh will always be fresh, okay? But see, this floor one is so amazing, it's so beautiful. This is the same thing, there is no much difference. Very beautiful. So according to dietitians, they say that this is not a whole meal, that you must always add a milk, at least things that will make it up a meal. All right, so let me know down in the comment section, do you prefer the floor one or the one that we put in the refrigerator? Okay.